Though we are sad about your early retirement, Pam, but we respect and admire you for choosing to take care of your parents and spend meaningful time with your husband. I know that although you are sacrificing your career, the happiness you will gain is beyond measure. Your area has contributed a significant volume of deposit. You and your team performed very well in 2025, and this is reflected in the final figures. You work so hard, silently and diligently, Pam, and truly it has paid off. Thank you so much, Pam, for your leadership, hard work, and dedication. May our dear God continue to bless you with peace, health, and joy with your family. You will surely be missed, Pam. See you around, and I love you so much.